Hey, what's up, guys? So like I told you in the last video, I was gonna tell you how the whole situation with my installs for my rear coilovers was gonna go, and I'm coming back to you really late, so that's obviously tells you that I haven't installed the rear coilovers, and unfortunately it's because what's it called, it's been really cold and I just haven't had the chance. So I'm just gonna do other modifications on my car. I'm gonna just order vinyl wrap for the interior of my car. I'm gonna delete the fake wooden thing on the BMW. I'm gonna put it all carbon fiber. So it just came off of work, got it shipped today. I'm gonna install it tomorrow. I'm gonna show a video of how it looked before and hopefully how it looks after. Alright guys, what's up? It's the next day. It's the morning right now and it's really cold. Sorry about the hair. Just got up to do this. I'm gonna start wrapping the interior trim. Sorry. This is one part of it. This is from my side, the driver's side interior trim. I took it out. I'm gonna do it one by one, and I'm gonna show you the before, and then hopefully the after if it comes out good. It's my first time vinyl wrapping, so I'm gonna try my best and see how it comes out. So with me. Alright guys, this is the first trim I wrapped. Alright guys, what's up? So far I've done the two front panels in the front of the car. Now I'm doing this one. And I'm running out of vinyl because I only got it like I said last night to you guys. Like I said, I got 2 feet tall, 5 feet long, so I only could do so much with that vinyl. And this is gonna be my last panel, and this is the rear panels. I can't talk right today. Rear panels. So this is my last one. I already did the other side of the rear panel. This is my last one to wrap, and yeah, then I'll show you how the interior looks. And I'm gonna buy more vinyl wrap to do the front dash part. That's the only piece I'm gonna do missing after I wrap. My experience right now with wrap, personally, it's not too hard. It's just time consuming because I did start at 11 and it's like 2 o'clock. I am a perfectionist, so it took me that long yet. And it's my first time, so obviously I can't do it fast, especially if you want good results and good outcomes. So yeah, vinyl wrap in my experience and my personal belief is really good. And it is durable because I was pulling on it to strain it and take out the wrinkles and the bubbles. And so far I really like it, and I like the carbon fiber trim that vinyl wrap that I chose for all my trims in the interior because that's what I wanted blacked out in the car. That's my goal. like it. I don't know what's my next mod. Might be an intake, muffler delete. I don't know what I'm doing next. It's between one of those. Alright, what's up, guys? So I just finished the last trim like I showed you in the last clip. My fingers are really hurting. Wrapping, the one thing about wrapping is it really hurts your fingertips a lot, and like you feel it in your nails because you're always applying pressure and you're using a lot of your fingertips for most of the work, especially through the tight corners when you're wrapping. And yeah, now I'm in my car. It's really cold in New York already because obviously we're in December and it's really bricks out here. It's it's 36 outside and a little bit of wind. But anyways, that's the least of the point. So what you came to see this video for. Alright, so I have the main dash trim, still that fake wood, you know, right? But all the door panels, they have the carbon fiber that I wanted. So got a little close to the camera there, way too close. So I'm gonna show you because I have it in selfie mode right now on my phone. So I'm gonna show you right here how it looks. That's my side, the driver's side, how it's looked. I didn't get it a gloss finish because it's my first time wrapping, and I don't want my imperfections to show of how I wrapped this car. So that was my door panel. The passenger side across from me, that's that one. And yeah, that's how it looks on that side. And then we have the ones in the back seat for the passenger, which looks like that and looks like that. My mom just walked in, came back from her work. So yeah, I really like the way it looks. It gives the car a stealthy look, and yeah. Now, for me to get pizza, it's gonna be a problem. My mom parked behind me. Well, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe and share the video with anyone that is interested in car modifications and is into cars in general, because that would be greatly appreciated on my part. But yeah, that's it. So like I said, the next thing I'll do is probably an intake or a muffler delete, because I do want my car to sound louder, and I do want it to make a couple crackles and pops here and there when I have it in sports mode. But other than that, till next time, guys, see ya.